BTS lang po meron.
Okay lang yan, kasi siya lang pupuntahan.
1,100 ba na lang? Yung Happy Meal.
Shiloh, oh. Yung Happy Meal mo na kay Mimi. Kunin mo na kay Mimi, go.
Ay, blind box siya. Hindi ako pinapili.
Mimi.
Maybe I'll try.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, okay. I've just unboxed this. Hindi pa kasi ako army nung nagka-BTS meal. Kaya, excited ako. Tignan natin kung may code. Sa code kasi alam ko na kung sino makukuha ko.
Why so small?
602, si ano to, si Jean. Oh, si Jean nga. Si Jean. Si Jean. Ang cute. Kaagaw ko yung si Shiloh. Okay, I will play with you. Look, Shiloh. Wow, this is Kim Sok Jean.
It's all yours now.
This-
Oh, look.
Oh, show them, Shiloh. Wow, that's Kim Sok Jean. Wait. Your parents. We need to buy again so we can complete this. Ito na yung Regen sauce, oh.
Ito, tatapo na to, no?
Hindi, ah.
I want it.
Okay, wait. I'm just gonna try the sauce. Nauma ka mang baby ka. Ang sarap, maanghang. Baby, ako. Baby, kain ka. Chicken nuggets. Walang ang sauce kasi maanghang.